Hi everyone, and welcome back to Butchery 101. I'm Christina Glenoga, and today we're breaking down one whole chicken. We're doing a really basic breakdown that'll yield 2 airliner chicken breasts, 2 bone-in chicken thighs, and 2 drumsticks, plus a whole carcass and some wings and wing tips that you can use for stock. So let's get started. Here we have the whole chicken, and I just want to take a moment to define some terms and talk about some landmarks. So up the front here, we're looking at the chicken breast. I was pointing out a keel bone just there. Here are the wings to the side. You can see the wing flat there in the middle, how it's extended. There's the drumette that you would normally find in like a basket of chicken wings. Down here are the legs. There's the drumstick, and that's the thigh coming up the top. A little can kick there for you. And here along the back, that's the spine. And what I'm kind of rubbing down with my thumbs here are some what are called the oysters. That's the tail, and that's again the spine. So here we are, breast side up again. Now, one of the first tricks I want to show you is that for this particular breakdown, scoring the skin down the back of the chicken is going to be really helpful for later, and you'll see why. And what I'm utilizing right now are really shallow exploratory cuts that go just about the length of the entire breast, from the wishbone at the top down to the tip of the breast at the bottom. You can also see with my left hand that I'm kind of pushing the meat in the direction that I want it to go, and then just using the knife to release the meat away from the bone as I'm pushing or pulling it with my left hand. You'll find in butchery that your non-dominant and non-knife hand will do just as much, if not more work than the hand with the knife in it. So get ready to get your hands a little dirty. I'm pulling the thigh away from the carcass using my left hand and just releasing the meat with the knife.